Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games in MAME. First, let's understand what MAME is. It stands for Multiple Arcade Machine Emulator, a fantastic tool that allows you to relive the golden age of arcade gaming right on your computer. To get started, you'll need two main components: the MAME emulator software itself and the game ROM files. These ROMs are essentially digital copies of the original arcade game circuit boards. Now, let's talk about obtaining these crucial components. You should download the official MAME emulator from its dedicated website, ensuring you select the version compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. For game ROM files, seek out reputable online archives. It's vital that your ROMs are compatible with your specific MAME version. Often, a MAME version number corresponds to a particular ROM set. Once you have both MAME and your ROMs, it's time for setup. Install MAME into an easily accessible folder on your computer. Inside the main MAME directory, create a new subfolder and name it ROMs. This is where all your downloaded game ROM files will go. A critical step here is to leave your ROM files compressed in their original zip format. MAME reads them directly without needing extraction. This keeps everything tidy and functional. With MAME installed and your ROMs in place, you're ready to play. Launch the MAME application. It will automatically scan the ROMs folder and populate a list of all playable games. Simply navigate through the list, select the game you wish to play, and press the Enter key to start. Inside the game, you can usually press the Tab key to access MAME in-game menu, allowing you to customize controls and other settings for a perfect arcade experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.